Since Nirvana of Lord Mahavira in 527 BC, Jain literature has contributed to the overall progress of the religion and cultural mosaic of India. Historically speaking, several works like Tiloya Pannatti, Harivamsa Purana, etc. Chandragupta Maurya, the great ruler in Indian history, the date of the foundation of Maurya dynasty by Chandragupta has been determined to be about 322 BC on the basis of the known dates of the corresponding Greek person or events such as the innovation of Alexander the Great, which brought the Greeks in contact with the India, such as historical fragments as the left by the Megasthenes the Indica. Gundamunda Acharya, as the leader of the Moola Sangha, was the most eminent among the ascetics. This is clear from the popular sloga found in the following Jain inscription. Mangalam Bhagavan Viro, Mangalam Gaudamo Ganini, Mangalam Gunda Gunda Acharyo Jaina Dharmost Mangalam.